Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you an installment of Declutter Diaries. It's been a while since I have tackled a room, as I had promised to do one a week, but you know what? Life happens, and I actually recorded this quite some time ago and I'm only just getting round to editing it. And today is our wardrobe room, dressing room, makeup room, I don't know what you want to call it, but as you can see, it was a nightmare. So first of all, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and I do new videos on this channel every week. I do lots of hauls, fashion, lifestyle, I do some gym videos in there, a little bit of everything. It is basically a channel of my life, and if you are one of my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your support means the world to me. This corner was just accumulated so much stuff, and the other side of the room was just as bad, to be honest. So my first port of call was I wanted to get everything emptied out of this corner, empty the desk, empty all the boxes, put it all into the big part of the room and just see how I got on. And I've also bought a few things to organise as well. I bought a little desk, little drawer set from Asda, which I will show you, and some organisation bits from Shein. So yeah, first job was to just tackle this, empty everything, take it over into the centre of the room and have a blank canvas to clean. This makeup drawer was just in dire need. I think I just ended up throwing everything in there that I use every day, and it was in some kind of order at one point, but I don't know what happened. I ended up filling this whole box just from that drawer, so desperate need to be done. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that, or his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way. So once I'd give everything a bit of a clean and a bit of a hoover, I actually moved the desk round onto the wall, and it's not going to probably stay here. I wanted to eventually put some kind of Hollywood mirror on this desk, and I think it would be really nice on that wall. And then I'd be able to open the French doors, which I want to be able to do in the summer. But it's not going to have, it's until I find a mirror, it's probably going to move back, if I'm completely honest, because I need the light from the window to do my makeup, and I haven't found a mirror that has jumped out at me as yet. I have seen a little hack on TikTok, but yeah, the jury's still out on this one. Anyway, next thing I did is I actually bought these little plastic rattan drawers from Asda. They were only about £15, and you wait till you see how perfectly they fit underneath. They are really big and sturdy and are just what I need, and they fit lovely under that IKEA desk. And then I've also got my storage ottoman, which I had from Aldi quite some time ago. I'm very overwhelmed at this point. This is everything behind me and also here. I'm thinking what I need to do really is go through everything, maybe empty some of like these that have been holding everything, all these tubs, maybe try and empty them and then sort them into what I want to keep or I don't. I think I'm going to go through my desk one last. This is, as you probably saw, everything out my desk drawer, which I need to seriously go through. And then I've got some like little containers to organise my desk. But yeah, there's just so much stuff. I don't know how there was so much stuff over there. It's really overwhelming at the minute. This is at the point where you think, why did I start this? It's how I'm feeling. Right, let's just try and sort through try and organise it a little bit. She said. Okay, if I'm completely honest, this is probably one of the hardest places for me to declutter, because I am such a hoarder and I am such a person that thinks, what if I need this one day? I am not a frivolous person. I literally like to hang on to everything and I don't like to have any waste, but at the same time the mess in the house is getting me down so much, which I think I've spoke about before. So I really had to try and be as ruthless as possible and just give away and send to charity things that I just didn't use. I also gifted a lot of things to friends and family. Also, like unused beauty products that I have had gifted in the past, I've actually given to family and also to my sister-in-law. So like if she does my Vinted parcels, like to pop some things in there as well. It was just so overwhelming, but I managed to get through it little by little, just one little box at a time, and yeah, just did my best.
Come on now, let's be free, just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Wait till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light,
so this is all finished. This is my wardrobe side, which I've already shown you. I've got some trainers down there actually that I need to have a look at. But this is all still neat and tidy. And then this is my desk area now. So I've moved it around a bit. I've just put the light in here to give us some more light because it's really dark in this room. I've put my mirror back there because I actually use this all the time to do the back of my hair. So I've kept that there. And then I've rejigged this section here, as you can see. So I loved the desk in the window. I know that so many people say, oh, why didn't you leave it there? It is so we can open the French doors, and also I want to be able to put a mirror on this wall. So I really want to get one of those Hollywood mirrors, I think, on this wall, because I just think it'd be a really nice place to film. And also then with that on the wall behind me, my Desenio prints, I think it'd look nice. So this is what my desk is looking like at the moment, with just my very sorry for itself mirror. I've just left the only thing on the top is my brushes. This is my filming light, so this will actually compact down even more, so that will just sit on there like that. I've got these little drawers. Let me move these. I'm going to probably leave this on the side here. These are little heat protect mats from Beauty Works, so when I straighten my hair, it's good to have those on the side. This is a really old drawer set, which I'm probably going to replace because the plastic's gone all like yellow and weird. So I might try and I might utilise that somewhere else, like where you don't see it. And then these are the new drawers I've had from Shein. Love these, love the top for jewellery. And then the other two drawers, so the second one down has also got segments in, and the bottom one is just plain and empty. So I'm potentially going to utilise that drawer, but that is all I've got on the side. And then here is, so let me show you these first. So these are the rattan drawers that I got from Asda that I showed you. £15, absolute bargain. I fit so much stuff in here. Look how perfect they fit underneath. So I've just done these with everyday things that I use. So all my perfumes, creams, deodorant, and bobbles at the back, hair bobbles. Then this one is my hair stuff. So I've got all like my volume stuff, my dry shampoo, I use the most. My wow stuff that I've been using, a couple of hairbrushes, and most of that is like clips and stuff in there. So I thought I would put that in there because I use those all the time. And then in the bottom drawer here, I've just got my hairdryer normally fits in there, and then my blow drying brush and my straighteners. So that's pretty empty really. But then here, I'm so proud of this, look, is my desk drawer. So this is just makeup. I always used to put like hair stuff, deodorant, every bit of everything in this drawer. So what I've done is, this is all the makeup I own now. I've got rid of so much, and I've just sectioned it using these little see-through things, which again I got from Shein, but you can get them from B&M as well. I think these ones are from B&M. But then I've just got, working from the left to the right, I've got my eyeshadow palettes here, everything's brow related. Then I've got all like scissors and tweezers and everything in there, and my eyelash glue, because it was in there, but it's just easier to keep there. Got my eyebrow dye. I've got some lipsticks. I don't really wear lipstick, but I've got a couple of lipsticks in there. And then this one is like lip liners and lip gloss, should I say. Then this one is like miscellaneous really. It's like creams, but I've got my La Roche-Posay tinted moisturiser, which I use a lot in the summer. My Glow Up drops, which I use all the time. And then I've just got some eye creams in there. My Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This little tea tree stick, which I use all the time for spots. And then I actually bought this quite long ago. Not long back, was saying like how it's awful. Like, I saw the lady on TikTok use it, and it was amazing on her, and it was awful on me. But I actually do like it for if you've got any redness. It is good for that to go underneath foundation, so I have kept it. And then moving across, I've got all my like blushes and, well, cream blushes basically mainly. And then this one is all like cream bronzers and highlighters. That's my lockdown powder, which I love. And this powder foundation from Be Perfect Cosmetics, guys, is insane. I'm not a powder gal, but this is incredible. I'll have to show you how amazing that is one of the days. And then over to my foundations drawer, I've got rid of so much, because the only ones I generally wear now, I wear my Ekinsu every single day. Well, I say every day, like if I'm just not doing a lot, that's like my go-to, because it's just like a skin tint almost. This is the one I wear if I go out. I love that one. And then my Giorgio Armani, my old favourite, I love that foundation so much. These are the only foundations I wear now. And then over here I've got my skincare one, which I use pretty much all of this. I've put a couple of new products in there to try, but I've not started this yet, but I've heard really good things about this, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to use that as well. But I use my oil every day and my retinol every day, and then in here I've got some spare lashes, and then get this out, and then I've got my Ekinsu palette, which again I use every day, so I can actually get that out so it's a bit easier to reach. Yeah, and then over here she's got some little bits. I've got a hydrating spray, setting spray. I have actually got some extra setting sprays at the back. I think she's got one up there, and my retainers. And then over here I've just got like little bits, so I've got my powder puffs, some sharp tweezers, nipple covers, because I never know where to put these, but I wear them all the time, so I've popped some in there. A little compact mirror, which I am going to probably take downstairs and put in my bag. Some eye patches, some wax strips for my eyebrows, and then some whitening strips for my teeth. So that's just like a little bit of a miscellaneous corner, but how neat does it look? I mean, I'm so obsessed. Let's just hope it stays like this. Yeah, what do we think? I think it looks loads better. And then when I've got a mirror on here, I have actually seen a hack where people get a mirror and they get like these little lights from, I've seen them from TikTok shop, so I might even do that, but I'm going to have a shop around first and see if I can get a nice mirror, because I really wanted one to go onto the table as opposed to onto the wall, because I don't, even though this is actually an external wall, so this is brick anyway, I wanted to try and get something to go on the table. So yeah, that's that. And then in my ottoman, I'll just show you quickly, it's already rammed. It's got my makeup, my medicine chest, and then face paints for the kids. So I didn't really move anything out of there, I just left it as it was. But yeah, it's all nice and neat now, and I'm so pleased. Another declutter ticked off my list.